Okay, hi. Okay, so a few runners from yesterday. DataPrep, MSM, I ran towards the end of the day. So we're gonna look for some sort of continuation on it today. Look for possible dip buys. Looks like gloves are gonna get a small boost in the morning, but let's only time will tell how far it can go. Clearly, DataPrep is way too extended. Way too extended. eventually they will have to sell. So we shall be ready for all kinds of selling. Okay. Wow, Hong Leong is getting worse, man. The prices are so laggy. The prices are so bad. They're not updating at all. Wow. Time to change broker. Gonna change broker soon, actually. Make sure you stay tuned for that. Should be coming in the near future. New broker. The software is just way too laggy. Okay, gap up, sell off, gap up, sell off. Fine. 5. The question is it gonna curl back up? Will there be a lot of resistance? I wish that my orders would refresh so that I can see what's happening. Okay, at least the orders are getting slightly better, so I can turn this off. So big support 265. Some sort of resistance 269, 272. What's KPS? It's a very big gap up on KPS. So let's see if we can get continuation on DataPrep. Watching for the break of 272. Okay, I'm buying in a little bit. Small chunk. Just a small piece. See how far I can go. I gotta be careful on this. It can crumble at any moment. So we got 2.81. We get 2.82. Yep, 2.82. Clear 2.82, a bit of struggle, that's fine. Okay, 2.82. I'm letting go a little bit, 2.82. I think go a bit more at 2.84. Can we get 2.84? Yeah, we can most likely get 2.84. Yep, nice. Sold a bit more at 2.84. See how far this can run. Can we maintain 2.85? Yep, 2.85. This is insane. DataPrep doesn't make any sense. I'm gonna cut the rest of my position to 2.88. So it doesn't matter if it keeps running up, that's fine. I caught a quick move. Selling into 82, selling into what else? 84, 88. So I think I sold a bit into this. 82 pop, 84, 88. Quick one, very quick one. Probably a nice 3K right there. Very nice, very, very nice. Just like that. That's crazy, dude. It's still running all the way. 292, 293. Doesn't look like 295 will be a problem. But I don't want to get greedy lah, because this can fall any moment. So very, very nice, strong continuation today. Pattern is not ideal, but still a good trade. Let's see, KPS was the top gainer, probably a huge gap up. Okay, not bad. KPS appeared on the on our screener a few days before. I think KPS sounds very familiar. Saudi. Whoa, DataPrep almost touching 3 ringgit. So I definitely sold it too early. But just wanted to lock my profits in. So just like that, coming back down. So yeah, I tried to dip buy it at 286, but didn't manage to catch it, so it's fine. Move top glove to the side. It's DataPrep. What's the high? The high is about 299. Okay. Saudi looking quite strong as well. High of 62, 62 and a half and 64. What's the daily like? So 64 is the previous pivot. That's why it hit a block right there, 64. Okay, DataPrep, not enough juice. Not enough juice. A few nice stocks with quite decent momentum so far. Looks like the tech stocks are giving a small bit of recovery after Nasdaq's green day yesterday. Nasdaq finally printed a green day. Right there. But I don't think they can go far. Okay. DataPrep. It's so strong. It's so strong. But I'm afraid that it's already quite extended. This sell-off probably did not scare much. Did not scare many people away. So there's still probably a lot of people holding on the way up. So if I were to try and play the break of 3, if I were to try and play the break of 3 ringgit, the probability is probably a lot lower. Probability of it going far. Because we have yet to see a proper pullback, a proper sell-off. Saudi strong 264. 264. Very big resistance there. 0.64, sorry, not 264. 64 cents. It's looking very strong though. Okay, I try to pick up a bit of. I try to pick up some at 64 cents. Not sure if I'll get filled or not. Probably not. Not sure if I want to continue this. Did I get filled? No. Okay, I'm just gonna remove the orders. No, remove the order first. We'll just see how this plays out lah. I want to focus on DataPrep first. DataPrep. Okay. So I tried to pick up some at 64 right here. Let's see how this will play out lah. If I enter at 64, my target will be around 68, 69, about 69. So if this comes tumbling down, where do I want to look for potential plays? Probably the red green. The red green level, probably yesterday it pivoted twice around the 250s. 250s, and then previous resistance 230s. So those are nice places to attempt some dips. If not, wait for it to crack upwards again. Give us some kind of simple Saudi hit target 68, 69, 68. It touched 68 for a short while. Very strong. Very, very strong. But you see, this is why you gotta take your profits. You can turn extremely quickly. So just drawing a simple sort of wedge for DataPrep. See if it respects it. Right. MSM getting no volume. Actually, this is 15 million volume. It's just no movements. Okay, let's slow down a little. Slow down a bit. All of the tech, all same shape, gap up, forming a little U shape here. And if UWC pop the high, I'm sure all the other tech is going to follow. So this is a similar phenomenon as the gloves. So probably UWC can probably be the market not to say market mover, but the market leader for tech. And when UWC goes up, I'm sure the rest will go up as well. So you can do your own observations. I'll look at it again later. Not too interested in trading it right now. Saudi actually hitting 269. So this would have been a very nice trade. This, so an entry right here. Entry right there, and probably taking profits in here to 69 cents. Would have been a very, very solid trade as well. Unfortunately, even if I left my order there, I don't think I would have gotten any fills. So it's okay. Missed a small trade right there. Great tech. Likely gonna follow UWC, probably gonna flat line. D&O as well, another one of those tech stocks. Won't be surprised to see it start breaking above 402. Okay, so good to see the momentum coming in. Everything is moving up together. Let's see what DataPrep wants to do. Semi-alert below, say below the VWAP in case it starts to sell off. Saudi going strong, going very, very strong. So I'm looking back at this, trying to analyze this trade to see if this would have been an entry. I mean, obviously I tried to enter it, but would this be considered an entry? Would I enter this if I were to look at this trade 100 times? Would I enter? How many times would I enter? I'm not sure. Probably wouldn't. Probably it's like 50-50 for me. Sell-off was a bit weak lah. Even though it was very strong, very nice continuation. Very, very nice continuation, but anyways, let's see on a daily chart, very big breakout above the 64 level. I see, okay. If I knew that it was breaking above all-time highs, I probably would have been a bit more confident in the trade. But that's okay. DataPrep, let's go. Sell, sell, sell. Time to come back down. What else touched my alerts? Not sure, okay. So a few nice levels to play off. What's this? 274s. 274. Want to see it dip harder. Want to see it break 280. Hopefully it doesn't catch this support. Hopefully it crashes through this support. Perfect. 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 Now at least 275. Oh, it caught the 280. Okay. So it caught the 280 support. Didn't dip as much as we wanted it to. That's fine. We just wait. Since we can see that now the sellers are trying to let go some of their position. This can build up into something bigger. Just gotta be patient. Okay. Saudi. How high can you go? It's almost hitting limit up actually. So, if I were to go to Great Tech, what are the odds that there'll be a big red candle there as well? There we go. D&O probably a big red candle there as well. Okay lah. Anyways, all this MSM also selling off. MSM also catching the 180 support. 178. So a lot of support on these stocks. But I want to see a bigger dip, even bigger. I want to see a gigantic one. Mega dip. So just set alerts again in case it starts to drop below its previous pivot. 278 was its previous low. Previous low. Okay. Saudi up 50%. We almost caught the trade. No worries. Can't be too mad about it. TCS. Wonder how Mobilia is doing. Okay, very big dip on Saudi. Is there a world where we can look for a dip buy here? I am not sure. Maybe if we see higher volume and if it can dip down all the way to like below 70s, maybe. There's just no support for it to catch. That's the problem. Oh, there we go. The support came in out of nowhere, 74. But so a few trades here that if I was playing slightly more aggressive, I probably would have tried to catch. This, I would have tried to catch this if I was playing slightly more aggressive. This as well, if I wasn't being conservative. Because I set a few rules for my trades this week to wait for better setups. So I'm actually trading with smaller size, waiting for better setups, playing a bit more patient. So waiting for the stock to reach areas of value that I see, that I've predetermined, so that I don't have to guess. I don't have to make any guesswork mid trade. Eight, 10, 14. Okay. The next. Nice. I have a swing trade a theoretical swing trade open on this. Itronic could be a swing trade as well. Very simple triangles. For D-Nex, I have a very theoretical swing trade here. Look for the retest of this previous resistance into a support. Look for the continuation to upside. Probably taking a bit of profits here. Probably first target is here. Second target will be here. Around the 84s, 83s, 84s. Just testing a few things. So this would have been hit already. And this would have been the next one. Artronic. No. So gloves are slowly grinding upwards. Everything is slowly grinding upwards. Saudi is slowly trapping people on the way down. All the poor souls getting trapped. If I'm testing swing trading, why not try crypto? One, because it's easier for me to manage on one platform, manage all my trades on one platform. I don't have to juggle my money left and right and remember this, remember that. Second, even though swing trading strategy is new, I have the experience in the specific Bursa market. And that will definitely have some sort of, that will definitely benefit me in understanding how some stocks moves. And I also understand how to read the order flow on Bursa already. So there's pros and cons. And also I'm doing this just to test, sort of try and open a new market to the people who are interested in trading but don't have time to day trade. And Bursa is the most accessible, so I'm trying to target the Bursa niche. But honestly, technicals usually don't work on Bursa. Just trying. And I also want at least to build my brand in Bursa first. Don't want to be too all over the place. I don't want to be. Would you go to a Bursa guy for crypto stuff? No, right? Top glove hitting area of resistance around the 540 area, right? Resistance 3 times, 1, 2, 3, 3 3 touches right here. So it would definitely have some issue here, but looks like it will be strong enough. Looks like it can. It's not selling off yet lah, so shouldn't be too hard for it to break to like 550s, 560s. But I don't play this kind of stuff lah. I don't fancy the grindy stocks. So everything looks like slowed down a lot. DataPrep has gone sideways. MSM, a lot of volume, but no direction. It's just trading in such a small range. Even when it broke out of this range, it broke out by like a few cents only, and it came back to this consolidation. So it looks like it's just squeezing in this small range here. If it continues squeezing in a small range, we can expect a breakout in either direction. That's what it did previously. Squeezing in this tight range, 155 to 143, and then poof, up to 190s. It could be gearing up for another break. Maybe if it bounces between this 180 to 195 range, could potentially see it pop up to maybe like 210, 215s. That could be another swing opportunity. So I have my alerts set already on DataPrep for the upside and downside. Have my areas drawn out in case, so that I don't have to think so much. Saudi already gonna hit limit up, so there's just no trades here lah. So in an ideal world, this will hold its strength, and then we can see some continuation tomorrow. Strong green days, breaking above its resistances, all of its close resistance. So here as well, another one we can draw resistance here, and also breaking all-time highs. Previous all-time high was 67 cents. How do I calculate limit up? You go to your broker, enter an absurd value. Let's say I want to buy Saudi at like 700 ringgit. It will reject your order and tell you the maximum price. Or in the new broker that I'm about to use, you can let me show you. In the new broker that I'm about to jump to, and also I highly recommend you will be able to see the limit up, also known as the upper limit price. How am I going to show you this? One sec, give me one sec. There. This is a field. Upper limit, lower limit. So soon, I'll introduce a new broker soon. You guys can use it as well. 30% for those above RM1, 30 cents for those under RM1. Yep, you can do that as well. You look at the previous close and you do 30% up or down. If you want to calculate it outside of your broker lah. If not, just key in. I would just key in like zero. Either key in like 1 cent. I want to buy it at 1 cent, and I can see the limit down. And I can, if I key in like $100, I can see the limit up. Anything new on our screener? KPS is still up here. Is there any potential trades? Huge gap right here. After the 120s, there'll probably be a nice area for it to run all the way. If we can even hit 120, hit a high of what, 116, 115 today. Consolidation isn't so nice, but I'm just gonna leave an alert here first. Let's see how the orders are like. 7 million volume, average volume 4 mil, so not bad. 116. So it's rejecting the 540 area. Top of. And there you go. You can see limit up here. Another way to look at limit up is just when there's just no more orders after that. 840 you saw just now. 840. After 840, there's just no more orders. I can just show you what it looks like. You see at the bottom left? It shows you maximum allowed is 84 cents. So huge rejection again. What did I want to see? No, this again. How's the 1 minute? Let's get this off. No plays on this. Okay, top glove, here we go. Some volume coming in. This is probably where it starts to shoot up. Go for the 550s maybe. Wonder if there's any news on Saudi. It looks like the KLCI is continuing its uptrend, which is extremely nice to see. Nice, very nice. KLCI very strong. Probably boosted by a lot of the big tech stocks. Gloves are up. Probably banks are probably up as well. The Maybank. Yep. So see if the big listed stocks are up as well or not. Yeah, all mostly green today. Great to see. Very strong. What's the next resistance? It will have to crack. Not probably this will be a nice range to bounce within. Right? Hopefully, you can hold this, and then as the market goes up, more opportunities will come as well. Imagine if you played the warrants. It's nuts. Nine 11s. Oh, what? Probably a stock split, I guess. Yep, stock split. 4-1 stock split. Damn. This should normalize tomorrow, lah. So it closed at what? 385, so should be open at about 90 cents, I guess. 95 cents. Yeah, about there. Surprisingly, not that much volume, even though it's split by so much. But it dropped quite a lot from the top as well. Front can. Usually after a stock split, a stock will have a lot of volume, but surprising. So today everybody wins, I guess. All the investors in KLCI, those of you who are buying, like, let's say Genting, or I wouldn't say winning, but at least recovering. Genting, gloves. All the blue chips I think are up. So it's slowly making lower highs on DataPrep. So gearing up, probably gearing up for a big sell-off soon. Okay, so nothing new yet on the screener. Then you can close MSM for now lah. Even if it starts to sell off, where would I bother picking it up? On 70s maybe. So much support to cut through. 178 is the lowest. Maybe between the 170s, 160s. Cool. If you have any stocks you want me to look at, let me know in the chat. Oh, okay. Big volume, big volume. 178, 175. So looking for at least 170s. Okay, more volume. Can we see more volume come in? There's so much support. Why is there so much support on the way down, man? Who's trying to pick up this stock? Very, very, very strong support. So likely no dips on this. I don't think MSM has ever given a nice dip. Maybe I can be slightly more aggressive on the dips now. Oh well. 180. I guess I'll be interested in it if it drops a bit more. Do I care if MSM sells off? Will it ever give a good enough opportunity for us? Hard to say, but just put an alert there in case. Why not lah? Saudi's back up yet again. Again and again and again. Well, unfortunately, even though if you want to count this as a breakout of some sort, the highest it will go today is 84 cents. So your upside is extremely limited. That's all you get. That's all you can get. Okay, so 9:50 a.m. I mean, we've been looking at a few stocks for the past like 20 minutes. See if there's anything else. No structure. Everything doesn't have much structure. No morning momentum. MSM wants to sell off, but no, somebody is not letting it sell off. DataPrep, not sure what it's trying to do. Just floating around this 285 level. So today, I think I'm just gonna wait for DataPrep to give us a sell-off. Not too confident on the upside, but I mean, always it always depends on the situation. Might or might not touch this if it pushes back up above 3. So got my alert set at least. KPS possible maybe. Again, depends on a few things. Anyway, students, set your alerts first. If I see potential in any of the stocks, I will, as usual, drop it in the alerts chat, in the stock alerts chat. Double top break. Yeah, you can try. Or you can, I suggest you scroll back a little bit and see what I explained on Saudi. You can try to catch Saudi, but your downside is extremely, I mean, your upside is extremely limited. Let me show you why. Look at the bottom. How far can the price go? Maximum 84 cents. That's the limit up for the day. Even if you try and buy the break of it, right? Even if you try to buy the break of what, 82 or 82.5, your maximum upside is 2 cents or 1.5 cents. If you got the balls, you can try and hold it overnight. Most likely, if it holds its high, there's a good chance it will gap up tomorrow. But do it at your own risk lah. Disclaimer time. Trade at your own risk. Make sure you know what you're doing before you go and buy and sell anything. I'm just showing you what I'm doing. Don't try and copy what I'm doing. If you want to learn how I trade, there's ample free resources on my YouTube channel. But if you want a bit more, sign up for a student membership. First link in the description. But if you're self-sufficient, you should be able to feed on my free resources for now. Okay, so I don't see any potential breakouts for now. KPS might be able to pull in a bit of volume later. If it pulls in some volume, maybe I'll be interested. Probably won't bother about MSM anymore unless it gives like a giant dip. Probably if it dips below 170, then I'll have some interest. DataPrep. This would be my main watch, either for up or down. Probably more on the downside, not really interested in the upside. And yeah, any new stocks, I will ping it on the stock alerts group. If you haven't already, I would appreciate if you can go down and smash the like button for me. Really appreciate it. Helps the channel grow, helps the channel reach more people. More people, more eyes. Then we have a bigger coverage of the market. We have more input, more opinions, more ideas. Win-win for everyone. Yay. Nice. Very nice. Come, dip more. Dip to 70. Dip to 65. Is it just gonna do this the whole day? Somebody accumulating and then sell it one shot, and then accumulate and then sell it one shot again and again and again and again. Cool. Cool. Okay. So, thanks for jumping into the stream. See you again tomorrow, 9 a.m. as usual. Yep, have fun at work or study or whatever you're doing. All right, peace.